You could be destroying your automatic transmission every single day without even knowing it. And the scary part, most of these mistakes feel completely normal. They're habits, things you've probably done this week, maybe even today. Automatic cars are designed to make driving effortless. Just hop in, shift to drive, and go. But here's the harsh reality. Millions of drivers are unknowingly destroying their transmissions every single day with tiny mistakes that add up to massive failures. In this video, I'm exposing 11 stupid errors that are silently assassinating your automatic car. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to avoid them and potentially save thousands in repairs. These aren't rare slip-ups. Even seasoned drivers fall for them. Let's jump right in and start saving your car. Mistake 11. Shifting before the car fully stops. You're backing out of your driveway, tires still rolling backward, and you slam it into drive. It feels quick and convenient, but inside your transmission, that sudden switch forces the clutches and gears to change direction abruptly. It's like yanking a spinning top the opposite way. Everything grinds and wears down prematurely. You won't feel the damage immediately. Over time, this repeated stress can lead to slipping gears, harsh shifts, and eventually a total breakdown. And by then, the repair bill won't be small. The fix is dead simple. Always pause for a full second or two. Let the car settle, then shift. Your transmission will thank you with years of smooth service. But there's another silent killer that does even more damage. Mistake 10. Transmission fluid neglect. You're driving with the AC on full blast, but it's set to fresh air mode, pulling in hot air from outside non-stop. It might feel cool inside, but your system is working overtime to fight that heat. The compressor strains harder, engine bay temperatures rise, and that extra heat doesn't just stay near the AC system, it affects surrounding components, including your transmission. When transmission fluid overheats, it thins out and loses its protective strength. That means less lubrication and more friction inside the gearbox. Over time, parts begin wearing down faster than they should. A failed AC compressor can cost $800 to $1,500. Add potential transmission wear, and things get expensive fast. The fix is simple. Use recirculation mode on very hot days. It cools already chilled cabin air, reducing strain. Switch back to fresh air only when needed. And here's the twist. Some AC-related strain can feel like transmission trouble, which brings us to another sneaky mistake. Mistake 9. Running your fuel tank too low. Running your fuel tank near empty might feel harmless, but it's silently damaging your car. That gas light comes on and you push another 20 miles. It happens all the time. Here's the problem. Your fuel pump relies on gasoline to stay cool and lubricated, and running low overheats it, drastically shortening its life. On top of that, sediment at the bottom of the tank gets stirred up, clogging filters and starving the engine. This extra strain doesn't just affect the engine, it transfers to the transmission, causing slipping and overwork. In winter, low fuel can even lead to condensation, freezing your lines. Remember this, the rule of thumb. Keep your tank at least a quarter full. It's not just about avoiding running out, it's about protecting the heart of your car. Here's the catch. Low fuel often feels like transmission trouble. Slipping gears, delayed power. Mechanics see this misdiagnosis all the time. But the real problem hides here. Mistake 8. Ignoring dashboard warning lights. Ignoring those dashboard warning lights is another massive error. A little icon pops up, check engine, transmission temp, and you think, I'll deal with it later. That light could signal a misfire stressing the engine, or overheating fluid boiling in the trans. Ignore it and small problems snowball. Catalytic converters fry at over $1,000, or worse, you're stranded with a seized transmission. AAA reports this as a top cause of breakdowns. Get a code scanner or hit the shop immediately. Fixing early might cost $100. Waiting could be thousands. Those lights aren't suggestions. They're your car's cry for help. And if you think that's bad, hear this out. Mistake 7. Not using the parking brake every time you park. You shift to park on a slight incline and walk away. Seems fine, but all the car's weight rests on a tiny parking pawl inside the transmission. Basically, a small pin holding everything in place. Over time, especially on hills, it wears, cracks, or snaps. Then your car rolls, potentially wrecking the trans entirely. Always engage the handbrake first, even on flat ground. It shares the load, preventing strain. This habit alone can add tens of thousands of miles to your transmission's life. Here's where it goes wrong. In your own garage with just a subtle slope you don't notice. The wear is silent until one day it gives out. And this mistake quietly wrecks your car without you even noticing. Mistake 6. Coasting downhill in neutral to save gas. An old myth that refuses to die. You think you're conserving fuel by disengaging the engine, but modern cars actually use more idling in neutral. Worse, you lose engine braking control, overworking your brakes and building heat. Shifting back to drive jars the system, stressing clutches. Stay in drive. The engine cuts fuel on descents, and you maintain safe control. No savings, just added risk and wear. Mistake 5. Revving the engine hard when it's cold. It starts on a chilly morning. You turn the key, hear the engine rumble to life, and immediately press the gas to warm it up faster. Sounds harmless, right? Not at all. When your engine and transmission are cold, oil and transmission fluid are thick and slow to circulate. That means metal parts aren't fully lubricated. Bearings, clutches, and internal components grind against each other, creating wear that adds up fast. Do this repeatedly, and you could be facing a $5,000 rebuild. Instead, let the car idle for 30 to 60 seconds. Then, drive gently until the temperature gauge begins to rise. Think of it like sprinting a marathon without stretching. Damage is inevitable. And speaking of unnecessary strain, let's talk about hills. Mistake 4. Driving in drive mode constantly on steep hills. When you head downhill and ride the brakes the whole way, you're creating two problems at once. First, your brakes overheat and glaze, reducing their effectiveness. Second, your transmission works overtime because you're not using engine braking. Fluid temperatures can climb over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, breaking down protective additives and coating internal parts with damaging residue. Over time, gears can seize. The fix is simple. Shift to low gear L or 2 and let the engine help control your speed. Your brakes will last longer and your transmission will stay cooler. But the heat isn't the only hidden threat. Mistake 3. Driving through deep water puddles. That shallow-looking flood may not be as safe as it appears. Transmission vents can pull in water, contaminating the fluid. Once water mixes in, the fluid turns milky. Clutches lose grip, and slipping begins. In many cars, just 6 inches of water is enough to cause serious damage. Even worse, water damage isn't always obvious at first. Corrosion can quietly destroy components over months before total failure hits. If you are unsure about depth, turn around. It's cheaper than a $4,000 rebuild. Now, let's move from outside threats to maintenance mistakes. Mistake 2. Skipping regular oil changes. Old oil turns into sludge. Sludge traps heat and increases friction, forcing both the engine and transmission to work harder. Heat spreads. Wear accelerates, and before long, you're staring at a costly engine replacement. Regular oil changes every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, depending on your vehicle, keep everything properly lubricated and running efficiently. Mistake 1. Leaving the car in drive at long stoplights. Many debate this, but evidence shows keeping it in drive with your foot on the brake is fine for short stops. Shifting to neutral repeatedly wears the shifter linkages and bushes over time and doesn't save significant wear on clutches. Modern transmissions are designed to handle idle in drive without excess heat buildup for brief periods. For very long waits, like over 3 minutes, neutral might help slightly, but the constant shifting adds more harm than good. Stick to drive unless stuck in extreme heat. It keeps you ready to go without extra wear. These 11 mistakes are the silent killers lurking in your daily drive. From shifting too hastily to neglecting fluids, they're chipping away at your automatic's lifespan. But now you're armed with the knowledge to stop them cold. Implement these fixes and your car could easily hit 200,000 miles without a major trans issue. No more surprise $5,000 bills, just reliable rides. If this video just saved your transmission, smash that like button. Subscribe for more eye-opening car tips that keep you on the road longer. Drop a comment. What's the dumbest car mistake you've ever made? I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.